This is NXL 360. My name is Nadim Lokele. Guys, thank you so much for those who are joining. Please subscribe. On the 26th, Orlando Pirates is going to play Kaizer Chiefs at FNB Stadium. Guys, will be giving away tickets, but obviously to enter the competition of the tickets, follow us on Twitter, TikTok, X, and YouTube. But mainly start on YouTube. I've got one of the most vocal Kaizer Chiefs supporters. I'm sure he's very happy. Well known, Killer Wekosi, all the way from Mpumalanga. I think in Mpumalanga, Sekunda, right?
Thuza lokhu akwenzile so ngangena igoli and i-Orbit yaphinde yabuya ngoba besicindezela nje masisaqala yazoshaya ipali khona ibhola elishaya ipali lapha phansi so bekunzima man bekunzima babona ukuthi bona bayifuna le 3 point yabo so into engayisho ukuthi yabona kuthe makuhamba nayo into yanguduba ubonile lela goli eshaya uduba lela goli lela like ube nice uduba laphayana watrapha kahle wathena washaya igoli then lapho ngajabula but bengine-worry futhi ukuthi manje njengoba sesikuyi-1-1 sohlala sidrawa or kanjani hayi but abafana bami angiprova wrong ukuthi no lentuzana lento le bebayifakile le ukuthi iskora 1 goal isukile manje sashaya 3 yabo so enye into
Awutshele vele yini le bebayifakile ukuthi skora 1 goal ngoba manje seniyakora 2 goals against Magesi, 3 goals against Orbit. But lo munye umuntu angathi hayi vele nishaya ama-team awakhe madoda. Onke la ma-team kungenzeka relegate nje. I-Orbit kwenzeka relegate nemagesi kwenzeka relegate. Ucabanga ukuthi
and lawo mathimu lawo esiwashayayo ne akusiyithi sodwa esiwashayayo even abontomngayise bayawashaya lawo mathimu lawo uyangi-understand nesandawana iyawina ku-Orbit so akucali ngathi and akugcini ngathi so into bebayifakile mina ngisola ukuthi besiloywa kahle kahle umuntu wangaphandle angeke aze akuloye kakhulukazi uloya yilabantu osondelene nabo mina bengisola bontomngayise ukuthi lamacanda lawa abanokuwasebenzisa yiwo lawa bebasiloya ngawo ukuthi thina singasakhoni ukuya phambili yabo so manje ngoba bona bafuna thina sibabambele i-Sundowns kuze bathathe i-league bachache zonke le ntamo ukuze naku-Sundowns isoshaya amagoli yabo and bayakhohlwa ukuthi socala kibo futhi nge-26 sishaye bona kucala before sizoya ku-Sundown yangithola
hey hayi usho ukuthi benilowa yi-Pirates, Orlando Pirates lenishaye 3-0 e-FNB Stadium last
hayi
month.
mina ngisolela yona yibo abasondelene kakhulu nathi yibo abasondelene kakhulu nathi so bengisola bona ukuthi hayi yibo abasiloyile but masibuya kule game yanamuhla ngibone like mase sichange like kungena bondlovu ilana ngibone khona ukuthi hayi khona uNdlovu nomonyane i-combination yabo ngathi sharp yabo bayakhona ukuthi badlalisane then uVilakazi uyadlana naye intwana eshaphi ingene kahle so I'm worried ukuthi why uvele bhayi bangamfaki kusanesikhathi understand ngoba uvele bhayi is the good player i-player elithi malibamba ibhola lifuna ukuya phambili but sinokumcala ebhentshini okay mhlawumbe umuntu ongakhona uku-change i-match but angeke uze ufake uvele bhayi sekusele boma 10 minutes yabo so ama-player kumele siwadlalise labo vele bhayi uBatman angisamboni ukumbona nasebhentshini angisamboni and i-player eli-right so angi-understand ukuthi abo-coach nalama-player kusuke kuba kanjani ngoba like ama-player esiwadingayo as ama-support ukuthi siwabone adlala lapha phakathi yabo so uma bangawadlalisi sivele sibe confused nathi ukuthi kahle kahle kwenzakalani uma ubone
Nomunye
ukuthi
umuntu angathi hayi uDuba udlala kahle noPulemont udlala kahle uvele bhayi ujoyine i-Chiefs late so sikhathi sakhe siyeza ukuthi athole ithuba lakhe lokudlala. Ungathini ngalokho?
uDuba like as a player lami vele udlala kahle, even kule mode udlala kahle, but khona la ubona khona ukuthi okay, ngoba umuntu angeke azabe esimeni esiyi-one njalo. Khona la ubona khona ukuthi no namuhla mhlambe uDuba akakuniki lento oyidingayo. So asikho isidingo sokuthi ungamgcina. Landa uvele ebhayi umfake. Uyambona uModi maybe angakunikezi into eshaphu. Nakhona landa bo-Batman landa bangene laphayana yabo. Ngoba like khona amagame obonayo ukuthi hayi khona hayi namuhla uModi akakuniki lento anginika yona. uDuba akakuniki lento anginika yona. Noma uShabalala noma ngaba ubani iplayer, uma lingakuniki lento enginika yona, zama enye indlela ukuthi ufake elinye iplayer ngoba unawo. Believe me thina lapha la ePFN sinawo ama-player maningi, like sinama-quality. Nedi kushoda umuntu ozowahlanganisa kahle. You-understand? I-first line-up yethu ingasoloko i-change-a. Namuhla uthola ukuthi sicala ngalaba, kusasa ucala ngabanye. You-understand? So into engayisho ukuthi uma umuntu kumele angene sabadinga lama-player lawo. Siwathenge ngoba siwafuna ngithi.
Yeah, but the second half, Kaizer Chiefs scored 2 goals and then 3-1 score. Umbonile naye angena umfana lo uMvulakazi lo dlala kahle kakhulu kulamalanga. Obvious ukhiphe uVulakazi la umuntu uShabalala la korile. Then noNdlovu uthini ngalo magoli ayi-2 oNdlovu noShabalala.
Uyabona uMdoda mfethu iplayer and uyakhona ukudlala ibhola, although sometimes like ngingasho ukuthi ibhadi ngoba mongathatha ukubheka khona la ugoalkeeper bese kaphume khona wathi uyashaya la yangaphandle, wambona ethi hayi umfana wami uwarithi, then wabuya wazoshaya igoli number 2. Then mawuthatha ukubheka uNdlovu uthe makangena imeshi ya-change yaba fast. Laphayana uNgcobo bekadlala ku-middle ne, bathi bathe mabafaka uLentuzana uNdlovu yaba more ngoba uNgcobo bekathe phasi kancane like banganikezi lento le efunekalayo laphayana e-center. So uNdlovu uthe mangena ya-change yonke into and wakhona naye ukuthi afake igoli lakhe. You-understand? So uNdlovu umuntu into anayo isiphiwa naso angeke uze usithathe. Yabo? Ngoba always uNdlovu makangenile uyabona ukuthi uyayifuna lento le. Although maybe one day like ilentuzana igame ayimvumi. Yeah, but uyiplayer ongathi mawulibhekile ndidlalela ibheji. Yabo? Yeah.
Singatsho maybe Kaizer Chiefs singasho ukuthi idlala kangcono kuna last season. Last season bengekho ku-top 8. Manje vele ku-top 8 kuyabonakala ukuthi izoba khona and kungenzeka ithole number 3. Kuyobonakala ukuthi amaZulu wona adlala kanjani uma manje kubonakala ungathi nikhompyutha namaZulu. So uyajabula ngendlela i-Chiefs lobona ngayo edlala this season, or you feel like the team should be doing more?
To be honest ukuthi like ngijabulela iposition esikuyo. But masibuya the way sidlala ngakhona si-improvile but not that much. Uyangizwa?
100% ngiyakuzwa, qhubeka ya.
Okay. This season like into engayisho ukuthi
Yeah, besikhuluma noKiller weKhosi Amahle, Kaizer Chiefs supporter. Obviously is very happy ngokuthi Chiefs, it looks like a improver from last season. He feels mara they should be doing more. Obvious Kaizer Chiefs, for me, I thought they played well second half. First half uMdu Shabalala uyekele, I can't say uyekele chance, but the first half I thought the Kaizer Chiefs idlale kahle in the second half where they scored 2 goals. They were a better team. First half it was a bit 50-50 the way ngibona ngakhona mina. But it was gonna be bad if Kaizer Chiefs ihlulekile obvious win against Orbit College because ezasho uKhila weCourse ukuthi yonke team has been really doing well against i-Orbit College. Singasho ukuthi i-Orbit College it's a team ipromothiwe ku-PSL and then when it was promoted it went via playoffs. Labo bukhona sabona kudlala khona ne obviously Cape Town. I think Cape Town City. Yeah, but I don't know why Cape Town City failed to beat Orbit College. This team was not ready for a PSL. It is not good enough. I honestly think they need a lot of. Yeah, I don't know if they need a coach, they need players, but I think they need coach and players and all those things. Maybe what they need is gonna be difficult for them to stay in the PSL. If they manage to stay up at college, they will need to go and sign quality players. But obviously, congratulations to Kaizer Chiefs. They did what they have to do. You can only beat what is in front of you. The 1-3-1. Ngifuna ukubuza uKhila weCourse manje ukuthi lokhu kwi-3-1 kusho ukuthini ngeKaizer Chiefs this season? Kusho ukuthi bayajabula ukuthi they are going to top 3 or bangafika ku-number 2 njengoba uKaizer Junior kasho njalo.
i-Orbit ayibuyele emuva iyojima kahle before izobuya ku-PSL ngoba kokucala i-team kuze uyibone ukuthi ayikho good. Ama-team amaningi makasuka le kumvela eza ku-PSL afika ashaya i-Kaizer Chiefs yabo asuka trainiwe lapha la asuka khona. Manje i-Orbit ayihlulekile ayibuyele emuva afika ashaya abo-Pirates ashaya ini. So into engayisho ukuthi u-number 2 to be honest kuyoba difficult ukuthi sifike ku-number 2 ngoba mawungabheka i-performance yeBhakaniya iphusha kakhulu, ifuna i-league iBhakaniya ifuna ukuthatha i-league, although angeke baze bayithathe i-league thina ama-Kaizer Chiefs singakayithathi i-league yabo. So into ekhona ukuthi into ekhona ukuthi nje bona bajime nje bahlale khona lapha ku-number 2 uyabona, yeah, izinto ezikanjalo. So u-number 2 thina ayikoba nzima, ngeke singakhohlisana. U-number 2 angeke sifike, sophelela ku-number 3.
Kukhona into lengayitholi kahle. I-Pirates ku-number 2 ingawina i-league manje. Why ukuthi ngeke i-Pirates win i-league before i-Chiefs win i-league?
How many years i-Pirates ku-number 2? I-Sundowns ithatheka i-8 ilentuzana i-league, so lokhu i-Pirates ku-number 2. Do you understand? So u-number 2 we-Pirates kule true laphayana angeke baze basuke lapho. Uyangi-understand ukuthi ngithini? I-Sundowns izoyithatha futhi i-league. Kuze i-Sundowns ingathathi i-league kuzoba kuyi-Kaizer Chiefs ezothatha i-league. Angeke iziphazanyiswe i-Pirates, ihlulekile i-Pirates, angeke zilunge. Noma bangawathenga bathini ama-game abasoze bayithathe, angeke baze bayithathe i-league, never, ngiyala mina.
But siyazi ukuthi abathengi ama-game bayadlala, bayazimisela, bawine nema-trophies. Angicabangi ukuthi bathenga ama-game, the way ngibona ngakhona bayidlalela and ngiyakuzwa ukuthi ubuyaphi mawuthi ngeke ngiyakuzwa ukuthi ubuyaphi mawuthi ngeke i-Pirates win i-league before i-Chiefs because vele usupporta i-Chiefs. Nebantu be-Pirates nabo bazosho njalo bathi ngeke i-Chiefs win i-league before bona. Hayi lokho vele ngiyahlonipha bhuti wami, hhayi vele une-right yokusho njalo. Mara ngicela ukubuza kuze ukuthi i-Chiefs ithathe i-league, siyazi ukuthi le team lena ngeke izithathe i-league. Kuze ukuthi i-Chiefs ithathe i-league, yini lento locabanga ukuthi kufanele bayenze? And one, uyajabula ngama-coach lenawo or ama-players lenawo, yini locabanga ukuthi kudinga kwenziwa ukuze ukuthi i-Chiefs ithathe i-league?
Kwenzeka ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ithathe i-league, into yokucala ukuthi ama-player makadlala kumele enze sure ukuthi adlalela for ibheji ne, bangagijimisi ukuthi maybe bazohola bathole imali or kanjani. into ebalulekile ukuthi i-team yona igayinane. Uyanganazela ngoba mongathatha ukubheka ama-players awathola ukuhola because of badlali ama-game, bathola ukuhola ngoba i-training yabo, uyanganazela. So kumele bazimisele as ukutrainer, then mabafika laphayana egrawundini badlale kahle. Number 2, ama-player we-Kaizer Chiefs kumele adlale as team, akadlali individual ngoba khona amanye amagame obonayo ukuthi no man, lana umuntu oso udlala ngoba yena afuna ukudlala angaphasi abanye abantu, like kumele work as a team ukuze uzothola i-league. Uyabona iBhakaniya, to be honest, uyambona uMpukeng, mongathatha uMpukeng umbeke noVilakazi, labafana laba mina ngibabona cisho bakulevel eyi-1 iyafana, but inkinga
ungathi uvala ispeaker lapho, ungathi uvala ispeaker sakho wenze make sure ukuthi azivalekanga, uzwakala kahle, bongazwakali kahle.
uyangizwa manje?
Ya ngiyakuzwa.
Ya, angivalanga ispeaker, maybe i-network. Ngithi mina uMfukeng into ombona up-best ngayo, ufike ethimini e-solid, like i-team e-unite, like abantu abasebenza as a group. iBhakaniya mongathatha uyibheka basebenza as a team, uyanganasela. So uma ubona uMfukeng enza kahle ungasho ukuthi hayi mhlambe uVilakazi akekho better than uMfukeng or uShabalala. No, environment le abakuyo, like i-Chiefs kwamanje asenzi kahle as i-Kaizer Chiefs. So even noma ungaba good kanjani, mawufika ebantwini abangenzi kahle, nawe angeke uzubonakala ukuthi hayi uyalazi ibhola or kanjani. And uthatha ukubheka aboVilakazi mabafika laphayana awekho ama-legend like abantu okudala abadlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs. Sayimosha kudala ngokudedela wonke umuntu omdala laphayana omele abonise indlela laphaya ku-Kaizer Chiefs. So thina masifuna i-league kumele senze sure ukuthi yonke igame esidlalayo sayiwina and idlala as a team.
Ninawo lawo ma-players la ngayenza ukuthi niwine yonke igame nidlale as a team. Ninawo ama-players anjalo lowabonako ukuthi ku-Chiefs angakwenza lokho.
Ya, ama-quality sinawo ama-quality. Ngakubalela even aboNdlovu, Shabalala, Vilakazi, Batman, Velebhayi. Eyi, ngawabala wonke kahle kahle ngoba like umuntu olapha ku-Kaizer Chiefs waze wadlala laphayana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, abomonyane badlala baze bafika ku-Kaizer Chiefs, ngiyabona ukuthi hhayi la akhona maningi kabi, baningi ama-player angayenza ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ithathe i-league. And mina ngesifiso sami bengifisa ukuthi one day uma singathola i-player elinjengoSanele uBhantsi, Sanele Bhantsi, like uyi-player leli elithi madlala lenza umsebenzi, like ifuna lento le, like makadlalela noma yiyiphi i-team udlalela ibheji, ama-player discipline, uyangandastand, abe khona laphayana. So siyawadinga ama-player anjengaboSanele and hhayi ukuthi awekho Kaizer Chiefs, sinabo. Uyambona uPinika last season or 2 season back, usakhumbula uPinika bebamkhuluma kanjani? Bheka manje uyi-defender, ngasho ukuthi uyi-best defender. Although singanayo leyo nhlanhla leyo ukuthi mhlambe bathatha ama-player wethu aye eskwatini, but khona into ekhona esiyenzayo. Ungabheka ulentuzana u-goalkeeper wethu uPeterson uwenza kahle, uyangi-understand. So siyaphusha vele, so into ekhona nethi nje kumele sihlangane sidlale as a team.
Wami wokugcina-ke, umbuzo wami wokugcina uthi ikhona yini i-player la ku-Kaizer Chiefs loyibonako wena ukuthi ingastarta ku-Orlando Pirates or ku-Sundowns? Eyi, ngibani i-player lo ubonako wena? Mina ngokubona kwami ayikho i-player ledlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs lengastarta ku-Pirates naku-Sundowns, ngisho oyi-1. Wena ikhona yini i-player loyibonako ku-Kaizer Chiefs lengadlala ifike ifake umuntu ebhentshini ibe ngcono kunaleyo player?
uVilakazi ungibuzeliwa eyi-1 player, uVilakazi, uMfundo, Obrigado.
Ya inkinga
Angabonisa
yaloko ukuthi inkinga yaloko ukuthi uMfundo Vilakazi akaqali nokuqala ku-Chiefs. Angazi ukuthi uzocala njani kulelinye iqembu mangaqali ku-Chiefs. Bengakuzwa.
ngithi mina even noPeterson uWilliam angamlolisa.
No, ngibuze mina ukuthi uMfundo Vilakazi akaqali ku-Chiefs uzocala njani kulenye i-team.
Lalela like ama-coach ne ama-option ahlukene yabona ngoba like uma ungamthatha umfundi umise kuBhakaniya ungathola ukuthi ucoach weBhakaniya ambone ukuthi hayi u-good for ukuthi aqale i-team lo. Umise ku-Sundowns afike abone ukuthi hayi good for uqala i-team. So thina sina leyo nkinga leyo ukuthi asimbone as umuntu ongaqala i-team, ongaqala ne-scheme yabo. But uma ungake umchance 2 to 3 games ungabona ukuthi hayi uzoba right.
Ngiyakuzwa lapho sezivala ke bhuti kunale debate lekhona le ngifuna ukubuza wena kuqala. Kunale debate lo ngifuna ukubuza wona kuqala nje ngifuna umbuzo wakho lapho straight forward leni siyayivala. Bathi bokukhulunywa ngoMfokeng noThemba Zwane. Bathi when Zwane who is better when Mfokeng is 21 years now and Zwane makaqala kudlala iSundowns bekana 21 turning 22. Before then bekadlala eThembisa adlalela iValdos. But at 21 years ngibani umdlalo lo bekangcono between uMfokeng kanye noZwane. Ngifuna kuzwa ipoint lakho before ngiphendule nawa ama-facts. uZwane makana 21 years ne bekadlalela iValdos sengadlala nokudlala kuSundowns futhi bekadlalela iValdos i-team yaseNkimnisi eThembisa and bantu ku-PSL bekangaziwa nokwaziwa. Bekungazange iSundowns kuthiwa kunoZwane uyadlala ufake ebala ebhentshini kubafana bebangambizanga bekangazange akore igoli ku-PSL bekangazange adlale kubafana bekangazange nje athole ne-man of the match eyi-1. Bese siya kuMfokeng. uMfokeng mangabe ana 21 already sona 3 season adlala kuPirates ayistarter so dlale ku-Champions League waya nakuma-trials kubo-Wolves e-England udlala nakubafana wawina bo-Young Player of the Season wawina 5 trophies ne-Orlando Pirates. Actually not even 5 trophies, 7 trophies ngoma uRivera wawina 5 trophies manje iPirates uwine 2 trophies, 7 trophies. Uthini ngalo mbuzo loyo? Mina ngibona ungathi nje akunambuzo la. At 21 years uMfokeng is better than uZwane. uMfokeng uZwane kucala ukubonakala ngathi the top player makana bo 26 27 ngoma iSundowns mayimsayina akazange adlala nokudlala kuSundowns wahamba waya ku Black Aces kuMpumalanga Black Aces wadlala nabo Kalingo bese iSundowns yambuyisa ke uqale nje makuthiwa 26 27 ukumbona ukuthi uyadlala uZwane. Uthini ngale debate lekhona ngoma ngeke siyeke bhuti?
Nzima ukuthi ngicompare uZwane noMfokeng. Ngifuna ukutshela into eyi-1 ukuthi uma umuntu anenhlanhla yokuthi avele e-TV akusho ukuthi u-good than nalo ongavelanga e-TV, you-understand? So uZwane ube nebhadi ukuthi afike ku-PSL sekamdala, you-understand? So uMfokeng ungene ku-PSL amncane mangikhumbula kahle uMfokeng mhlambe ungena nabo ma-17 18 so if I'm not mistaken, you-understand? So lowo muntu angeke uze umedanise noZwane. uZwane ngey'nkathi zakhe u-good for iy'nkathi zakhe. So naye uMfokeng u-good manje ngoba lalela uyilentuzana uyi-boss president yama-2K akaseyi-president yama-90s, you-understand? So into engayisho ukuthi angeke ngize ngicompare uZwane noMfukeng. Angizwa ukuthi ngithini. So uMfukeng yena makanenhlanhla ukuthi ungene early, ugood, iboss ama-2K, not ama-90s. Yabo. So mina leyo debate angeke ngize ngithi uMfukeng is good ngoba yena sodlalela iBafana Bafana wara. Even naye uZwane amadlozi wakhe kube amvumele asasengale amthatha ku-young stage. Ngabe ufikile kule stage akuso. Uyangi-understand? Kufana nokuthi uzothi uWilliam noKhune ubani oke wangenela ama-competition we-Ballon d'Or. UWilliam angeke aze afike kuKhune. uKhune ugood ngelentuzane yakhe ngesikhathi sakhe, noWilliam ugood ngesikhathi sakhe. So angeke uze uba-compare labo bantu labo. Esayidini lami leyo debate abayiyeke ngoba bazokwenza ukuthi uZwane mhlambe azibone ukuthi uMfukeni mhlambe uyamdelela or kanjani. So abayiyeke leyo bayeke babheke intwana into ekhona kumele support uMfukeni adlale ibhola kahle angaphazamiseki endleleni. Ngoba ubonile no-Andile Jali uvele wavukelwa umoya watshela ukuthi why uMfukeni bazokhuluma kanjena ekubeni akakadlali even na-10 years. Kungenaphi lokho? Kuyamvuma uMfukeni manje isikhathi sakhe abamnikeze but bangammedanisi nama-legend. Uyaphi kuma-legend? Angeke uzothi njengoba bekana-21 manje uZwane una-36 uzothi una-21 uMfukeni una-22 if angicambi amanga. So uzommedanisa kanjani lowo muntu? uZwane the time adlala ibhola uMfukeni bekagijimisa amathini laphayana elokishini. Uyabo? Agijimela umama alandele umama makaya emoli. So why kumele mina ngimedanise noZwane? Angeke ngize ngikhone mfethu.
Okay, ucaleleni i-debate uWilliams noKhune.
Yeah.
Obviously ngiyazi ukuthi usupport i-Chiefs and thank you so much ukuthi vele usijoyine lamuhla. Ucabanga ukuthi umuphi umuntu o-achieve more between uWilliams noKhune as a goalkeeper? Mina ngibona ungathi as a goalkeeper obvious uWilliams udlale ku-AFCON, uKhune akazange akadlale ku-AFCON. Uke wadlala? uWilliams uqualifyise iBafana Bafana ku-AFCON naku-World Cup. Ukhuna ngikhumbula qualifyisa iBafana Bafana ku-World Cup. uWilliams ucaptain iBafana Bafana ngesikhathi eside iwina. Ukhune naye ucaptainile iBafana Bafana isikhathi eside. But ngesikhathi saKhune ayi-captain iBafana Bafana. iBafana Bafana bengaqualify, beyidlala nje kuthiwe no, we need to go back to the drawing board. Manje under Williams as a captain iBafana Bafana nje lokhu sikhuluma nje nawe nje kungenzeka uye eAmerica uyobheka iBafana Bafana ku-World Cup. Khune udlale kuBafana Bafana ku-World Cup nga-2010 mangabe lakhaya. Ucabanga ukuthi uKhune vele was better than Williams?
Khona enye into engifuna ukutshela yona, uKhune nakuWilliam was better esayidini lami ne, ubetter kakhulu. Ilento engishoyo ukuthi uWilliam ufike ukhumbule i-Sundowns besolokhu idominate, uyangi-understand, ku-league and i-Sundowns ine-quality players. So ulentuzana uWilliam uzaqualify ukuthi bebathatha i-Sundowns yonke boyidlalisa ku-squad. Uyangizwa ukuthi ngithini? So lama-player lawo vele ayazana laphayana. So makafika adlala ayakhona ukudefenda ukuvikela uWilliam. Uyangi-understand? So into ekhona ukuthi ngezikhathi zaKhune bebawathatha ama-player we-Chiefs but bebangathathi amaningi kakhulu njengokuthi bathathe i-team yonke boyifaka lapha bathi makudlale. Ukhumbule ukuthi i-AFCON mase ngakhuluma iqiniso kuze siqualifyiswa ama-player we-Sundowns. Noma singathi sakubalekela lokho, i-Sundowns iye esibeke la sifike khona baphinde basibathela ini i-bronze. Uyangizwa? So uWilliam manje yena ubetter. Uyabona? Ilento engizokutshela yona uBrian Baloyi ngey'nkathi zakhe beka-good for isiteji sakhe, uKhune u-good isiteji sakhe, uWilliam u-good. Kuvuleke eminye iminyango phela uma ungathatha ukubheka uchaza ukuthi abo-Brian Baloyi the time bavimba babangeke baze baqualify ukuthi baye kuma-competition we-Ballon d'Or njengoba kucale ngoWilliam. Yini into ebest like eyenziwe uWilliam engenziwanga aboKhune, engenziwanga abo-Brian Baloyi? abo-opara izinto nabo-opara yini ehlukile yenziwa uWilliam?
Ngicabanga ukuthi into le yenziwe uWilliams mina udlale kuBafana Bafana isikhathi eside kuma-AFCON layi-2-1 Khune akazange adlale ku-2 wama-AFCON and then bese sithi uWilliams waseva 4 penalties I think against Cape Verde. Khune akazange akakwenze lokho. Waphinde lapho wadlala every time iSundowns manje 4 finals in a row e-Champions League. Khune akazange ake adlale 4 semi-final e-Champions League. So ngicabanga ukuthi masibheka kumuntu o-achieve more, mina ngikho ukuthi ngiba no-better. Obviously ngizothi mina ngokwami ngizothi uKhune, but mawubheke kahle umuntu who was better I think uKhune, but umuntu owine more trophies ngicabanga ukuthi uWilliams.
But not ukuthi ubest nakukhune. Ngiyavuma mina uWilliam u-achieve more. But masingathatha the way kuvinjwa ngakhona, uWilliam akamdlulanga uKhune. Net yena ube nenhlanhla ukuthi athole ama-trophy avulekile. Uyangandastand? Athole i-team e-sharp. Yabo, ezomwinisa lento ngoba like if unidlala ibhola akufani nokuthi nibe ama-athlete ukuthi uzosebenza as individual or what. Sebenza as a team. So uWilliam i-team yakhe was strong than lezi zabokhune. Uyangandastand? So kungakho achieve ukuthi aqualify kule ntuzana ku-AFCON waqualify even naku-World Cup. Yabo.
Ya ngiyakuvumela lapho ngicabanga ukuthi nami uWilliams and if ubheka kakhulu uWilliams uthola iSundowns wina i-league nema-trophy and then mangabe yena sekajoyina iSundowns seyiwina i-league kuphela. Ngicabanga ukuthi uthole i-team vele be-strong kakhulu ngoba ngesikhathi kuvimba uOnyango iSundowns beyiwina i-league maybe na 2 trophies. Since kuvimba uWilliams bawina i-league kuphela. Leyo debate leyo vele ngiyakuvumela ngathi uKhune uhamba phambili kakhulu because uKhune bekadlala like I think yes bona bawine more but ngicabanga ukuthi uKhune was more solid than Williams.
And mangakhohlwa uKhune is the only goalkeeper washaye iScorpion King la eSouth Africa la eMzansi. Yazazi?
Bese iphelile leyo game ngiyakhumbula bese iphelile.
Futhi iphelile noma iqalile uye nje kagcina ngayo.
Okay guys, no thank you so much Killer Wekhosi ukhona madoda ku-TikTok ukhona ku-Facebook ngingamchecka umlandeli we-Kaizer Chiefs. Thank you so much ukusijoyina Killer Wekhosi manje siyabonga kuba nawe. Ngiyajabula nabalandeli be-Chiefs maybe bazobona ukuthi hayi siphethe umuntu owazi ibhola serious lana abamlandela kakhulu.
Ekusalayo i-Kaizer Chiefs wine 3-1. Bebathi ascore more than 1 goal. Namuhla shaye 3. Yabo.
Ushilo ukuthi shoti lezi zinto zenu la nihamba khona senizilungisile.
Ya hayi. Ngile ngayothandaza lapha e-FNB ngathi uNkulunkulu nje makasuse konke lokho abakubhele lapho. So izinto zihamba kahle as ama-supporter amanye bebadubile angasafuni ukuza kuzobukela abafana. Kancane kancane bazoza one by one laphana zingene 1-1. So basigcwalisa i-stadium emagemini alandelayo.
Yeah, definitely amakhosi amahle azobuya immediately bacala kuwina 3 games in a row. Kaizer Chiefs manje number 3. Obviously simele amaZulu kuthacede siyobona ukuthi ihamba njani. AmaZulu adlala nesikhukhune but kuyoba nzima. Ngicabanga ukuthi iChiefs ine chance yokuba number 3 njengoba asho uKhila Wekhosi. Ngeke ize ibe number 2 because leyo vele ibhekhe between Orlando Pirates neMamelodi Sundowns. Ngokubona kwami ngibona ungathi Pirates yoba number 1 iSundowns ube number 2 because iSundowns isesenema game amaningi Champions League.
Kusasemini manje ungasheshi uphuphe uyaphupha manje ayaphupha. Oh no.
All right, Kosi. Thank you so much, Put.
Sharp sharp.